Meaning of grandness.
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 Grandness. Grandness refers to the state or quality of being magnificent, impressive, or noble. It can describe something on a large scale, such as a majestic building or breathtaking landscape, or it can refer to a person's demeanor or behavior that is dignified and lofty. Essentially, grandness connotes a sense of grandeur, splendor, and high status. It is often used to describe things that are awe-inspiring or have a sense of majesty about them, such as a royal procession or a sweeping piece of music. Overall, grandness is a descriptor that evokes a sense of greatness and majesty.